Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Ooh, look at that scrumptious goodness. Well, that's what we're going to be cooking today, so grab a hold of that vine and swing on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because I'm going to sit there and show you how easy it is to make your very own drumsticks. But I am going to take advantage of one thing while it is in this soft state. I'm grabbing some parchment paper to put underneath my wire rack, so any of the chocolate that drips down will drip down on top of the parchment paper here. Grab one of your sugar waffle cones. Give your sauce a good mixing. Now every time you use your magic shell, be sure to give it a good mixing. And now I'm going to sit there and just coat the inside of the sugar cone with the chocolate mixture. And it's okay if some of it goes back into the bowl. And then we're just going to sit there and lay it on the wire mesh tray as I just have. Now I'm going to continue on with the rest of my sugar cones. As you see, I filled up all my sugar cones. Now just be patient. Let them harden up. Now you can sit there and transfer the rest of your magic shell over to a container if you wish, like a squeeze bottle or a canning jar, or you can sit there and leave it in the bowl until we're all the way done making the drumsticks. I'm gonna let you decide. Okay, I showed you how to sit there and fill them all up. Now they're all hardened up, and as you see, they're all in these little cups. Now I just sat there, cut a X on the bottom, and just put the whole sugar cone down on in. That way when I'm filling these up and when I'm covering them with the magic shell, it'll be easier for me. Now I'm going to fill these up with two different types of ice cream, and to help keep them apart, I sat there and took half of them and sprinkled a little bit of the chopped up peanuts that I have here in a bowl. And the other half, we left just plain chocolate. Now, in the plain chocolate, we're just going to sit there and put the butter pecan ice cream that I chose to put in our drumsticks, and then in the ones with the nuts, I chose to put the salted caramel ice cream all in. Now comes the fun part. We get to fill up our sugar cones here, and like I said, for the peanut ones that I coated the inside, I was going to put the salted caramel. So let's go ahead, open that up, and I'm going to use a smaller scoop. That way I'm sure to get it more down inside the cone. So I'm going to sit there and go ahead and give it a good push. And I'm going to continue filling up the other 4, and then I'm going to put that back in the freezer. And on this side, I'm going to put the other ones with the butter pecan ice cream. So I'll see you when I'm all done. Are you ready? I know everybody wants to turn them into one of these. Look at that, baby. Ooh. Now, these are going really fast. Well, let's turn them into that. Here is our magic shell sauce. Now, every time you're going to sit there and use the magic shell sauce, always, always, always mix it up. Now, let's just grab one of our ice cream cones that we already have filled up. Now, let me rearrange the camera. Let's grab one of our cones. Give this a good mix. I'm just gonna move our chopped nuts. And I'm working around the camera, folks, so I'm sorry if it looks awkward and stuff, but believe me, it's more awkward to work around the camera as I am. But you're gonna want to keep putting your sauce all over our cone. As such. And I'm sorry if my hand's in the way. I'm not able to see the viewfinder at the time that I'm making this or putting this all on. So if my hand's in the way, I really don't mean for it to. And I somewhat give these just a quick little pat down just to keep them on. This stuff does harden up quite fast because the ice cream is cold. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make your drumsticks. Well, I'm going to finish up making the rest of my drumsticks. Mind-blowing, right? I know. That's how easy it is to make your very own drumsticks. Now, the quality of chocolate that you used is supreme. The ice cream that you choose, well, that has to be a big bonus because it is the flavor that you want, not the flavor that comes in the box. And most of all, the savings. Now, please be sure to pin, like, and subscribe today. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?